We've seen so many newborn photographers using this hack, we had to try it out for ourselves. Don't forget to stay to the end to check out the final images. Yes, it is a cat scratcher, but we have seen so many newborn photographers using this hack. So we are going to give it a go today. We're going to pop it down and we're going to place a big fluffy rug over the top and pose our newborn on there. So we've got this beautiful fur from Kristie. Fits perfectly over the top of the cat scratcher. It may need a little bit of adjusting, I think, when we get baby in. We might need to lift this up a little bit, but we're going to try it as it is for now. We're going to get baby wrapped and do a couple of photos and see what it looks like, and then adjust from there if we need to. So this is Noah. He's a little bit older than the newborns we usually have in because he's 7 weeks old, but he is wrapped in a full potato sack wrap or egg wrap. We've got loads of tutorials on how to do this kind of wrap, so you can go and check that out if you want to know how to do this part. But now we're going to get him on the fur and try him out on the cat scratcher. You ready, kiddo? So, popping his bum in the groove. And then head up on the arch. Head up on the arch. Now, I feel like we might need, we're going to take some photos on this angle actually, see what we are looking like. And then if we need to lift the back up a little bit, then we can always pop some stuffers underneath just to bring him up. I think that's probably going to be the better option. But we're going to take some photos and have a little look. Apart from the fact he's wriggled out to the wrap, it's definitely the right position, isn't it? Yeah. So the verdict is cat scratcher for the win. Definitely worth the purchase, guys, and I've popped the link for it below in the description so you can purchase one yourselves. Let us know how you get on in the comments, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!